What's good, Hilux fans? It's been 5 years since I rolled my car, and I am determined to get this thing back on the road. So like, subscribe, and hopefully, in the end, we'll go sideways again together. Right, YouTube, today is cab underbody paint day, and I'm pretty excited because once this is behind us, I can start ripping out the engine and do all the real conversion stuff. So first half hour was just spent taping up any holes that I had in this, and if you haven't been watching, I've painted the chassis a gloss black, so that's, you know, very important that that's all taped up. Underneath here, same, you know, that's all wrapped up, ready to go. So I'll just prime the air pump and get into it. Right, Hilux fans, that first can did not last very long. Luckily, I've got a second can, and I just went to the store to see if I could get a third can, but they didn't have a third can. They only had these aerosol cans, so yeah, we'll see if they're any good. I did buy these and this because I don't think even a cigarette smoker would want this on the inside of their lungs. It's some pretty sticky, so I'm going to be wearing this for the rest of the time, and yeah.
I don't want you to worry about a thing, mate. Well, I'm ready to deliver the baby. Where is she?
Right, YouTube, let's just talk about the difference between this can and where is it? Yeah, that thing with the gun on it back there. That comes out like a fire hose. You can turn it down, but it seems to apply itself best under high pressure, and it just blasts. It just blasts real thick, real even at high pressure. And if you turn it down, it just kind of spackles. Like, it's not as good coverage. So yeah, definitely recommend that can with the air tank on full power. But this one, this is more like your edging. Check this out. Yeah, so we got this edge line here. We don't want to bloody overdo it, so we'll just nice. That's what that's for. Look, see little bits like that. That's why I've saved this can. Just do that. So I am expecting to find a few bits that I've missed. There's another bit. I mean, that's bloody easy. So if you're doing this job at home, I recommend having both styles of cans. This is your scalpel, and the other one is you get her done, because that comes out with some bloody. Hilux fans, stoked, so stoked. I've unwrapped it, and I couldn't have asked for a better Valentine's Day. There are a little bits of sticky that I've got to get some degreaser to get off, but check it out. Check it out. Oh my God, what the hell? What the hell happened? Look at this show car, mate. That's bloody awesome. You know, I think I'll repaint that because that stands out real bad now, but everywhere else is, oh, so good. Couldn't be happier with that. I mean, I wanted it to feel a bit younger, and it sure does. That's freaking awesome. So a lot of brushing and degreasing and masking, but that was worth it. Yeah.